So in this video, we'll see how we can create appointment booking system in WordPress. You can see I can change month for free. Here I can able to select date, time slot. I can add break in between time slot if I want. Then I need to fill all the detail. Then I can able to select the service. And then if you want to pay at payment gateway, you can add that. Let's see it how we can do it. So here you can see I'm logged into admin dashboard of WordPress. And this is default template, nothing more, just a simple WordPress website, nothing. So we will create appointment booking site or appointment booking system. Here just search for booking. And here you can see booking for appointment, event and calendar. We will install this plugin and set up it. I will show you how everything will work. Activate now. We can display it anywhere in our website using page, using shortcode, or if you are using Elementor, you can directly display it. So I will create a page. Click on add section. Here search for Amelia. Here you see Amelia step by step booking. Click on it. Save. Otherwise, you can use shortcode. What will be the shortcode? List of Amelia shortcode. Here you can see. You can get all the shortcodes from here. You can directly display shortcode wherever you may want to display. We have added Amelia, but nothing will show. Why? Because we need to set up this plugin. So just be with me. I will show you how we can set up it. Let's go back to Amelia. Here, first we need to click on services. Here, if you want to add category, you can add category if you want to display by category name. I will create a category. If you don't want category, no need. You don't need. After creating category, click on here plus icon. Now this will be service for which appointment will be booked. Now you can select category from here. Show service on site. We need to upgrade if you want this feature. Okay. Now duration and pricing. It will be 30-minute flow and pricing. Currently it is showing in dollar. We will change it to rupees also. These feature file. Image if you want to add, you can add. Okay. Extra setting. These feature are available in Pro version. So we have created the services. You need to go on setting. We need to set up one more thing, then it will show provider detail. You need to add the provider detail. Okay. Just now after setting the provider detail, when you go on your page and refresh it, it will display. If it is not display, don't do anything, just go back and remove it and then add it again, then it will start displaying. Okay. If sometime it will not display, then only. Okay, so we have set up every basic thing. Now here you can see first we need to select the date I want to, then here all the available slots are available. It will fill all the details. And if you are logged in, then automatic it will pick out email automatic. If you are not logged in, then you have to fill email. Continue. It will show pricing. Continue. Here you can see finish. Your appointment has been booked. Okay. Now let's see how we can customize it. There are multiple customization options. First, we will start with currency. We want Indian currency. Time slot is here. You can change time slot. By default, if you want appointment to be pending or approved, you can select from here. Now, I want phone number as mandatory field. I don't want email as mandatory field. Show booking slots in client zone. Yes, I want that. Here, we'll set it. Now, now here you can select the default phone number, whichever you want. I will select India as of now. Or leave it, it will select based on user IP address. You can set as per your requirement. Up to how many days user can book in advance? It is set to 365 days. You can set it. Now, you can fill company detail here, whatever company detail is. Now, one more thing, notification. Now, how user will receive and send notification. So sender mail icon fan, you need to share it, then only user will receive notification. Now let's go on payment. From here, you can change the currency rupees. Okay. Now, do you want to accept payment? It with by default enable. If you want some other payment gateway like WooCommerce, PayPal, Razorpay, you need to buy two version of this plugin only. Then you will able to use it. Okay. If you from here you can manage if you want working hour to be different. You can change working hour from here. And if you want to add some break, you can add it here also. Click on add. I want to add some break. Now you can customize form from here. Which form you want? You can see the multiple view. You can select this from here. I want to use this form. You can use it. Global setting, font, color. You can set as per your requirement. You can create appointment booking system in WordPress. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.